Howdy. As we continue to navigate uncharted waters and adjust to a new reality when it comes to teaching and learning, the Center for Teaching Excellence at Texas A&M University wants to share with you a few practical tips and perspectives on how to best facilitate learning online through Zoom and other digital tools. One big question when it comes to online webinar environments is how to best engage and motivate students. How can we foster more two-way and group communication and discussion when our students cannot meet in person? There are several ways to encourage more student interaction and to maximize their engagement and motivation. It can be helpful to encourage students to turn on their video if their internet bandwidth allows and they feel comfortable. Video can help people connect and feel connected. It is also important to always address any student concerns about privacy. Check with your college or department with regards to student privacy guidelines. Another good idea is to build in collaborative and interactive activities into your Zoom session with students. You can use the breakout session functionality for small group discussion. Online breakout rooms function just like small group pods would in an in-person classroom. During these breakout sessions, you can use case studies, examples, and scenarios, which are all helpful since students can work in their groups in set periods of time. These longer, more intense interactive activities can help balance out the loss of more spontaneous activities and approaches that an in-person classroom affords. There are other strategies and techniques you may want to consider when it comes to student motivation, engagement, and assessment. These activities and approaches are called classroom assessment techniques, or CATs, and can be both graded or non-graded depending on instructor preference. If activities are graded, they can be assigned a grade based on a number of factors including completion, completeness, competency, or mastery. Minute papers, muddiest point papers, pros and cons grids, prior knowledge probes are all ways to engage students in active learning from a distance. In minute papers, students are asked to answer a question or a short series of questions that the instructor poses in a 1-minute timed response. In a muddiest point activity, students jot down what concepts or content they are still struggling with. Pros and cons grids encourage students to evaluate information from different perspectives. Prior knowledge probes are an interactive activity that encourages student reflection and can also help students connect what they have learned in the past with what they are currently learning. These probes can also help both the instructor and students to identify misconceptions and gaps in understanding. Hopefully, you now have more ideas on how to incorporate interactive activities and assessments into your online teaching. Let's remember that we are all in this together, and together we can help everyone succeed.